Hey, what's up friends, it's Matt from Cornelius Creations. I just wanted to show you another Opinel mod here. You can see the sheath I made here with a crackle effect on it. As we pull the knife out, here is what it looks like right here. Now you can see right here the initials say BHG, and those are the initials for a client that I'm doing this for. And I kind of mimicked the same design here on the handle as I did on the blade right there, if you can see that. I'm pretty happy with the way this one turned out right here. Has a nice ergonomic design. I put a finger choil right there. You can really choke up on it. Here's a close-up of the sheath right here. I kind of did a sunburst fade on here. So this side's actually a lot darker than this side right here, but I'm still pretty happy with the way this turned out. I know you guys like to watch the process of me making these, but I'm really strapped for time right now, so some of these I'm just going to get on like this and show the work. I'm not actually going to show the process of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to see some more mod videos, I will post them below. Take care.